Today, we will practice useful English at the beautiful Blue Pond in Biei, Hokkaido.
This lesson is perfect for enjoying magical scenery and travel English together.
We will see the Blue Pond, Whitebeard Falls, rolling hills, local food, and a relaxing inn.
Biei is famous for its vivid blue water, beautiful nature, and peaceful countryside views.
The English will be slow, clear, and easy to repeat.
Let's enjoy slow English in the magical blue landscape of Hokkaido. We finally arrived in Biei.
I was really looking forward to seeing the Blue Pond.
The air feels so fresh here.
How do I say 楽しみにしていた in English?
You can say, I was looking forward to it.
I was looking forward to it.
Perfect. That is a very useful phrase for travel.
The countryside around us already looks beautiful.
Yes, Biei has such a calm and open feeling.
I want to see the famous blue water soon.
Let's head to the pond first.
Great. I am ready for a magical view. This must be the Blue Pond.
The water is so bright and blue.
How do I say 水がとても青い in English?
You can say, the water is so blue.
The water is so blue.
Excellent. That phrase fits this place perfectly.
The color is even more beautiful than I expected.
Yes, it almost looks unreal.
The reflection on the water is amazing too.
I want to take so many photos here.
This is one of the most beautiful ponds I have ever seen.
Let's stand here and enjoy the color for a while. The trees standing in the water look very unique.
Yes, they make the pond look more mysterious.
How do I say shinpiteki in English?
You can say mysterious.
Mysterious.
Great. This scenery is very mysterious.
The bare trees create a beautiful contrast with the blue water.
It feels like a painting.
I like how quiet it is here.
Me too. It makes the place feel peaceful.
Let's walk a little and see it from another angle.
Good idea. The color might change in the light. Now we are at Whitebeard Falls.
The waterfall looks so refreshing.
How do I say taki ga kirei in English?
You can say, the waterfall is beautiful.
The waterfall is beautiful.
Perfect. That is a very useful sightseeing phrase.
The blue river below the falls looks beautiful too.
Yes, the watercolor matches the blue pond atmosphere.
I like the sound of the water.
It makes me feel relaxed.
This is a perfect place to stop and look around.
Let's enjoy the view from the bridge. The area around here is very peaceful.
Yes, walking here feels refreshing.
How do I say aruku to kimochi ii in English?
You can say, it feels good to walk here.
It feels good to walk here.
Excellent. That sounds natural.
The trees and water make a lovely combination.
I can understand why so many people visit Biei.
Everything looks clean and calm.
It is a nice change from city life.
Let's keep walking slowly.
Sure, I want to enjoy every moment here. Look at those wide hills.
The scenery is so open and beautiful.
How do I say keshiki ga hiroi in English?
You can say the view is wide.
The view is wide.
Great. That phrase is simple and useful.
The road through the hills feels very scenic.
Yes, Biei is famous for these rolling landscapes.
I would love to drive here again.
Me too. It feels peaceful and free.
The sky looks huge today.
This is another unforgettable view. I am getting hungry after all that walking.
Me too. Let's try a local cafe.
This place looks cozy and stylish.
What do you recommend here?
That is a very useful phrase.
How do I say nani ga osusume desu ka in English?
You can say, "What do you recommend?"
What do you recommend?
Perfect. You can use it at any restaurant or cafe.
I want to try local vegetables and maybe some soft cream.
That sounds perfect for BA.
Travel feels better with good food. This rest area has nice souvenirs.
Yes, and the atmosphere is very relaxed.
How do I say omiyage o kaitai in English?
You can say, "I want to buy some souvenirs."
I want to buy some souvenirs.
Excellent. That is useful when shopping.
I might buy something with a blue pond design.
That would be a nice memory of today.
I also want to rest a little before evening.
Me too. The quiet atmosphere is comforting.
This trip has been so relaxing.
Yes, BA feels gentle and beautiful. The evening light is so soft now.
The landscape looks different at this time.
Everything feels calmer now.
The blue color seems deeper in the evening.
I want to come back again.
How do I say mata kitai in English?
You can say, "I want to come back again."
I want to come back again.
Perfect. That is a great travel phrase.
BA left a strong impression on me.
Me too. It was calm, beautiful, and magical.
This has been a wonderful day. Today was full of beautiful blue scenery.
Yes, the blue pond was especially memorable.
I loved the bright color of the water.
Me too. The trees in the pond looked magical.
White Beard Falls was also beautiful.
And the hills of BA felt so peaceful.
I learned a lot of useful English today.
Yes, and the scenery helped us remember the phrases.
Hokkaido has so many wonderful places.
I would love to explore more of it someday.
This trip made me feel refreshed.
It was a wonderful day.
Let's review the most useful phrases from today.
Sure, I'm ready.
I was looking forward to it.
I was looking forward to it.
The water is so blue.
The water is so blue.
The waterfall is beautiful.
The waterfall is beautiful.
It feels good to walk here.
It feels good to walk here.
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
I want to buy some souvenirs.
I want to buy some souvenirs.
I want to come back again.
I want to come back again.
Thank you for joining our Blue Pond English lesson.
We practiced useful travel English in the beautiful scenery of Biei.
The Blue Pond gave us magical colors, peaceful nature, and unforgettable views.
I hope this lesson made you want to visit Biei too.
Please repeat the phrases and use them on your next trip.
Slow practice will help your English grow naturally.
Let's keep enjoying English, little by little.
Thank you for watching.
See you in the next lesson.
Have a wonderful day.